Good morning. So today we are going to answer the number 14 past bar exam 2024 question number 14 in criminal law. What I mean political law. Under the 2020 rules of the Senate Electoral Tribunal, any election protest against a member of the Senate shall be filed within 30 days after assumption office of the protesting. Subsequently, the Senate promulgated its internal rules of proceedings which shortened the period of filing election protests within 15 days from assumption of office of the protestee is the Senate internal rules of proceedings relative to the election protest constitutional explained. Answer. Okay. Yes, it's constitutional. Article 6, Section 17 of the 1987 Constitution states, the Senate and the House of Representatives shall each have an electoral tribunal which shall be the sole judge of all contests relating to the election returns and qualification of the respective members. Its electoral tribunal shall be composed of 9 members, 3 of whom shall be justices of the Supreme Court to be designated by the Chief Justice, and the remaining 6 shall be members of the Senate or the House of Representatives, as the case may be, who shall be chosen on the basis of proportional representation from the political parties and the parties or organization registered under the party list system. Representative therein, the senior justice and the electoral tribunal shall be its chairman. The tribunal assumes jurisdiction only uh, when the person has become a member of Congress, a candidate who has not been proclaimed and who has not taken his oath of office and assumed office cannot be said to be a member of Congress. Aquino versus Comelec 64 SCAD 457 GR number 120-265 September 18, 1995. Here, hence, the mere fact that a person has won in an election does not mean that he is now a member of Congress. A Comelec would lose jurisdiction instead. The Heret would now have jurisdiction once a winning candidate has been proclaimed, taken his oath, and assumed office as a member of a House of Representatives. Comelec's jurisdiction over election contest relating to his election returns and qualifications ends, and the Heret's own jurisdiction begins. Guerrero versus Comelec 336 Scra 458 2020. Perez versus Commission on Elections 375 Philippine Reports 1106 1999. Source: the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, compiled and edited by RBSI editorial staff, Ernesto C. Salao, LLB, supervising editor. Political law reviewer by Judge Albano Sr., deceased. So that's the question number 14. Thank you, good day, and God bless.